Did you know that tea is the second most consumed beverage in the world after water? From green tea to black tea, this drink is known for its numerous health benefits. But are there any downsides? In today's video, we'll break down the benefits of tea, potential risks, and tips on how to enjoy it to maximize its health properties. Plus, I'll share a simple tea recipe that you can try at home. Let's start with why tea is so highly regarded for health. Tea is rich in antioxidants, particularly a type called polyphenol, which help fight free radicals in the body and reduce inflammation. This can lower the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and even some types of cancer. Green tea, for example, is packed with catechins, specifically EGCG, which is known for boosting metabolism and supporting weight management. It's a favorite for those looking to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Black tea, on the other hand, contains compounds that may support heart health and help lower blood pressure. Tea also contains L-theanine, an amino acid that promotes relaxation without drowsiness. This, combined with caffeine in moderate amounts, can help improve focus and mental alertness. However, there are some downsides to tea that you should be aware of. One of the most notable is its caffeine content. While tea generally has less caffeine than coffee, overconsumption can still lead to issues like insomnia, jitters, and increased heart rate, especially if you're sensitive to caffeine. Another concern is the potential for certain teas to contain trace amounts of heavy metals or pesticides. To minimize this risk, choose high-quality, organic teas when possible. Tea can also interfere with iron absorption. Drinking tea with meals, especially in large amounts, can reduce the body's ability to absorb non-heme iron, the type found in plant-based foods. If you're prone to iron deficiency, try to drink tea between meals rather than with them. So, how can you enjoy tea while getting the most out of its benefits? Here are some quick tips. First, avoid adding too much sugar or sweeteners. To enjoy the natural flavors and health benefits, try drinking your tea plain or with a touch of honey. Second, choose loose-leaf tea over tea bags. Loose-leaf tea often has higher quality leaves and more nutrients. Third, be mindful of brewing time and water temperature. Overbrewing or using boiling water can make your tea taste bitter and reduce some of its beneficial properties. For green tea, aim for a temperature of 70 to 80 degrees Celsius, 160 to 175 degrees Fahrenheit, and steep for 2 to 3 minutes. And don't forget to stay hydrated with other beverages as well. Tea is great, but it shouldn't replace water entirely. In summary, tea is a fantastic addition to a healthy lifestyle, offering antioxidants, relaxation, and potential heart health benefits. Just be mindful of the type of tea you choose, how you prepare it, and when you drink it. How do you like to enjoy your tea? Let me know in the comments below. And as promised, here's a quick recipe. Try making iced green tea with a hint of lemon and mint for a refreshing and antioxidant-rich drink perfect for any time of day. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell for more health tips and food breakdowns. See you next time!